Welcome to CyberPros, brute force SSH logins fast with Medusa tutorial. First, we'll update our local package lists to make sure we can download the latest version of our tools. Next, with our package lists updated, we'll install Medusa, which is a fast, parallel login brute forcer. Now, to perform a brute force attack, we need a list of potential usernames. We'll create a simple text file named users.txt with a few common usernames, including the known credential for our target. Similarly, we need a password list. We'll create passwords.txt with some common weak passwords, again including the correct one so our attack succeeds for this demonstration. Finally, we'll run Medusa. We specify the host with H, the user file with U, the password file with he, and the service module with SSH. The v4 flag increases verbosity to show the process, and soon it should find the valid credentials. If this helped you, please subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.